The flexor carpi radialis, as the name suggests, is a flexor of the wrist located on the radial or thumb side of your forearm. It originates from the medial epicondyle, which is a bony protuberance present towards the inside of your body in your elbow region. Present towards the inside or towards your body in your elbow region. It also passes over the front of the forearm to reach the radial side and gets attached to the bones of the wrist. It helps in flexion at the wrist joint. Place a hand over the forearm, near the origin of the muscle, and flex your wrist. You will feel a muscle tense beneath your fingers. This is the flexor carpi radialis. The trigger point usually forms midway between the elbow and the wrist at the center of the forearm.